travel, hospitality, consumer discretionary expenditure. It is online fashion and beauty player Nykaa, which is shifting its focus to go beyond just the online realm. While it has some offline presence already, are they looking to increase it or not? Well, we get the answers of all of that from Shilpa, who spoke with the company's CEO and head of owned brands, Adwaita Nair, spoke about their offline expansion strategy.
So, across this whole own brands portfolio of about 1,000 crores of NSV, 50% of that comes from our online Nykaa.com portal, but 50% is from other places. It's from our stores, it's from GT, it's from MT, it's from offline, points of sale and so forth. So yeah, offline is important for us. I think today it's probably about 20-25% of the overall turnover, with about 10 to 12,000 points of sale across GT and MT.
Right.
But we will keep focusing on that. I think the thing with offline is you have to be careful about how you expand. You can get growth quickly, but I think it's more about being thoughtful and picking some really high quality points of sale. And having sort of measured but high quality offline growth, which is what we're after.
Right. And, can you give me a sense of then, as a vertical of the house and brands, right? What is the growth roadmap that we're looking at, and which of these brands do you see as leading the growth for you going forward?
I think we consider this a very, very high potential, high growth part of our business. It's growing incredibly fast, and faster than some of the other businesses in our portfolio. So we will continue to double down. All these 3-4 brands that I've been talking about today can easily aim for 1,000 crore, turnover in the near future.
Right.
But I think what's on my mind is, there are probably 6 or 7 brands today that we're focusing on. But are there any other exciting spaces that we need to be looking at? And making sure that we're adding to the portfolio at the right time is a big priority for me.
So you're saying that you are open to bringing in more brands or acquiring more brands, or will you look at organically launching one?
I think we like building in-house as well as we like acquiring. I think even within the portfolio that you see today, there are enough brands that we built internally. Nykaa Cosmetics, Wanderlust, K-Beauty to some extent is a JV, but we've been doing it internally. And then there's some that have been very successful as acquisitions, whether it's Dot & Key or Earth Rhythm. So I'm open to both models.
What are these white spaces that you're probably looking at that you see very good opportunities?
I think a new emerging category that I'm loving right now is bath and body and fragrance. We're seeing a lot of positive movements in both those spaces on the platform itself. So I think India is sort of awakening to this fragrance movement, and I think we'd like to have a play there as well. As of now, we're going to build those two. Wanderlust will be our bath and body brand, and we've gotten really focused on it. Really excited about the place that plays in.
How big is it?
Wanderlust will probably be touching about 100 crores or so.
Okay.
But yeah, immense potential. Not scratch the surface outside the Nykaa ecosystem at all.
Right.
And then we're building a bunch of perfumes under a brand called Nykaa Perfumery.
Yeah.
So I think that's still very nascent, but I think in this year, fragrance will be a big focus for us.
In the previous earnings calls, you'd spoken about a sort of consolidation that you're doing with these brands in the fashion business, and the focus there also, right? Because fashion, otherwise, being a newer business, the growth engine has been a little slower, and usually investors show a lot more concern towards the fashion business. So just can you run us through what these consolidation efforts are on the fashion business, and how does one look at the growth trajectory of the fashion business? Because last quarter also, though it was the wedding season and all of that, the growth was largely flat.
Yeah. No, I think, look, we are incredibly excited about our fashion business. As a Q3, it's an annualized GMV of about 4,000 crores. That is not small by any measure. And it's widely established through multiple customer surveys that NykaaFashion.com is the second to third most popular e-com platform today in India. And I think all of that 4,000 crore top line with so much customer love and preference has been built in a matter of 4 to 5 years. So we feel very good about that space. We're not worried about quarter to quarter growth and numbers. We're in here to play in fashion for the long run. And I think fashion as an industry in India is so exciting, and it's so large, and it's growing incredibly well. And I think if you just take a 10-year view, it's really important for Nykaa to have a foot in the door. And I think we're building a very unique proposition with our multi-brand platform there.
Interesting chat there. Well, for the time being, we'll have a wrap up on this edition of Chartbusters. You stay with us. Trading Hour comes up next.